Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
So, today we're gonna do another unboxing of the Logitech G304 Gaming Mouse I bought from Lazada a few days ago. I think I purchased it on January 4 or 3, and I received it just yesterday, January 6. So, around 2 days for the delivery time, which is pretty amazing actually. But that's because the store is set up in the Philippines. So let's begin, I guess. By the way, I've purchased a new unboxing knife. It's a flipper knife from CRKT. There you go. It's designed by Ken Onion, and it's called the CRKT Helical, which has a well, anyways, so it's CRKT Helical, and it's designed by Ken Onion, and it has a Kanto blade. Yeah, the design of the blade. So there you go. I don't know. I really like it. Anyways, so let's start with the unboxing. So actually, the plastic itself, or the box itself, I was surprised to get it this big, because what I know from other unboxings is that the box of the G304 is actually pretty small. So we have this Lazada box, right? And that is pretty much it. There's no, yeah. So I think this is because I think Lazada is the one who's packaging this. So, you know, to make sure the quality and the item is actually safe. Wow, okay, that's amazing. So inside the box, we have the actual item itself. Again, bubble wrap. And so, I think from the difference between my other unboxings, by the way, I've purchased everything from Lazada, but I think some of the differences is that there are two types of, I think, delivery. One is from the company itself, and the other one is through Lazada. So, for example, the company I purchased this from, which is I think WD Computers in Lazada. I'll just put a link down below to their Lazada page, and I think they send their items to Lazada so that Lazada can be the ones to package them. And I think that's a pretty good setup, because so far the Lazada packaging is pretty nice and pretty, you know, very well, the item's very well protected. So yeah, let's just unbox it again. I'll just remove it from the bubble wrap. See, as you can see, it's not that excessive, it's just the right amount. And I mean, this doesn't even go, you know, to the airplane or like the boats, I guess, when shipping, because yeah, you purchase it from the country itself. So here we have the Logitech G304, the Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, but it has the China logo, so obviously this is not like, it's still from China. So at the back here, we have the light speed, high performance, the Hero high efficiency rotated optical. So that's, I guess, the new sensor that they have. Lasts for up to 250 hours and portable, durable, comfortable. So yeah. So the box, it should come with a mouse and the dongle. Okay, yeah, let's just unbox it. Why do I keep closing the knife? So, oops. There we go. Okay. So what do we have inside the box? Oh, by the way, I purchased the white variant. So we have the mouse itself, and then we have the USB extension, and we have apparently the battery here. So I'm not really, used to this kind of boxing or unboxing, because why would you put the battery inside the box, right? It's kind of weird, because the basic setup is just put the battery inside the mouse itself, and then put like a small plastic tab to prevent it from touching the ends of the mouse, so that there's no electricity that's passing through. But I don't know, if it does the job, it does the job. So this is the Logitech G304. It's actually, so the reason why I purchased this mouse is because my other mouse is dead, or I don't know, it just stopped working on me. So this is the M330 silent mouse. So you can see from the design itself that this is actually no, let me see that. So it's almost the same width actually. It's just that this has it just seems that this is bigger because of the curvature for the thumb, right? And I have really small hands, or like my hands are, actually I consider this mouse, which is like around, well anyways, I just consider this mouse to be able to hold my palm grip, which is saying a lot because this mouse is really small. So yeah, I can hold this in palm grip. So one of the main reasons why I wanted to purchase this was because of, its ability to hold as a palm grip for me, because I knew that this was actually longer than this one, so which means I already know that this can, I can hold this as a hand grip. For the design of the mouse, I actually very much like it. It has a very generic design, considering like in every most basic office mouse has almost the exact same shape as this one. So I think there's no like time to adjust, or there's no period of adjustment, because the mouse is the shape of it is very generic and it won't offend anyone. Yeah, I like it very much. The scroll actually here is, this scroll is more rough or more pronounced, meaning it's more precise. I can control each click. This one I can, but I cannot feel it anymore. Maybe it's after all the usage. The reason why I got the white one is so that it can match my Hand Pro 2, right? So this is my basic setup now. So at the bottom you can see that it has 5 feet. They're actually pretty small compared to my previous mouse, which is here and these two over there. And there's a toggle here to put either the Bluetooth or the dongle. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the mouse. Oh, and we have a DPI here. So there's actually no RGB in the mouse at all, except this one light to indicate the changing of the DPI. Well, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and, quick review of the Logitech G304 Gaming Mouse. I hope that you find this video helpful in purchasing the mouse. Actually, I wanted to get I was eyeing other mouses, but the reason why I chose this is obviously it's because it's wireless, and because it has basically I just wanted to get this just because it's white to match the setup. Anyways, that's it for my unboxing and review. See you guys in the next video.